MudRFunR here. Got a rickety old box. Tell it's a little bit chilly out here, and got no room to work with on this one, so the bumper removal is going to be the first thing, and that's today's video, bumper removal. So before you even get started on removing your bumper, you might want to get some penetrating oil, honey glue in my case, and spray up all the bolts, maybe even a week or two in advance, or even spray them up several times before you decide that you're going to take it off. So hopefully, if you spray everything up good, you won't have any problems getting the bumper off. So what I'll be using for this job is a 21 mil, 18 mil, and 15 mil. I'm going to be using my impact wrench for these.
These back two bolts, they worry me about the most. I got this one all kind of scraped out with a screwdriver already. Try and get some of the rust off there so the socket fits on there better. That's just nasty bad. Not good. That came out not too bad either.
So before you get too far, you're going to want to remove this wire that goes to your license plate lights. On both sides there, you just have to give it a little twist and pull it out. So this is with the camera facing from the front to the back. Right there is two of the bolts that hold the trailer hitch on, and then there's a big 21 millimeter bolt right here that holds the hitch and the bumper. Then you get those off from each side. The outside of the frame, you're going to find this bolt right here. It's a 15 millimeter head, and I've already got this one loose. And then here, I do believe is the 18. Got enough room that my impact wrench goes right up inside the fender. Then you'll see the two bolt studs. Oh, they're already gone through to the other side. And then if you reach around to the other side, this is what you'll find. Right there, that's where the nuts were attached, and you'll have to do that on both sides, and the bumper should come off. So these are the bolts hold the bumper on. That's all of it right there. So with this being such a tight little space here, this is about the best I can give you for a view of what I'm doing. And basically, have to pull the bumper straight out that way, and you're good. Okay, that's off. Look at that junk. Rust in Canada. So I have all the box bolts loose, and if you want to watch box removal video, I'll put a link right up there for you. Got it in the shop, and all its rusty glory. This is what we're looking at right here. Pretty scary looking. That's my hitch. Quite the hole there and there. Covered in rust chunks.